Good morning. Yeah, I think it's working. I think we're back. Jesus Christ. What a way to put me in a bad mood. Good morning. My bad. I'm waiting for everybody to join the live stream again so I can give a little breakdown and make sure I don't have to repeat myself a little bit too much. But quick analysis while people are here waiting. Very long on GJ, just like last week. Last week, remember, we had a very debating of the week. We had a lot of bearish momentum, right? A lot of bearish momentum that got confirmed that we actually caught these buys here due to the fact that we see an upside down head and shoulders, right? Besides the upside down head and shoulders, remember I explained that upside down head and shoulders is the same thing as a down channel, side channel. So down channel, this was the side channel, and now this is the up channel, right? What's also good about this down channel, side channel, up channel is that it confirms that there was a liquidity grab to the downside, right? So what am I saying by that? It confirms there was a liquidity grab of the downside. So as you can see, there's a level of support right here, level of resistance. So let's erase everything that we see from here to the left, right? Imagine we're only looking at this right here above my head, right? What is this right here? This is a range, right? This is a range where price dropped beneath the range, stopped out a whole bunch of people, triggered a whole bunch of people, and then it came back into the range. So usually when we have liquidity grabs to the downside, it's due to the fact that there's a lot of buying pressure. Like imagine this was the range, imagine we're trading beneath the range, then back into the range. This is a liquidity grab, right? And if we're liquidity grabbing towards the downside, it's because price has to keep on moving upwards, and that was confirmed with this little upwards movement right here that we have. And then all of it all together is an upside down head and shoulders, downwards, down channel, side channel, up channel. It's a little wedge that's been playing out. It's a liquidity grab. All these market structures are basically the same thing, just like, you know, different perspectives, see it in a different way, right? When we come down to the 2 hour and the 1 hour, what I love is that we were trading, our 50 SMA was above our 8 SMA, which is what we are whenever we're bearish, right? So we were moving with our SMAs in a bearish formation, and then we had our 8 SMA go upwards and our 50 SMA move downwards, as in this right here, this flip right here. 50 SMA goes downwards, 8 SMA goes upwards, right? Therefore, now we have our SMAs in our favor for being bullish, right? 8 SMA price needs to right around the 8 SMA. So hopefully we start doing this and start writing the 8 SMA on the hourly time frames. Right now, we are trying to engulf the 8 SMA and try to keep on pushing after that. So our game plan of the day is to be able to try to wait for a retracement, make sure we execute on some confirmations. Morning, Duncan, and all the chat. What to do, Darkwater? How's everything, AJ? What to do, Rami? Eli, Cool, Elijah, one love from Nigeria. Shout out. Ooh, shout out to Nigeria, brother. V Colan. Are we back? Yes, we're back. Sound sorted? Yeah, I think the sound has gotten sorted. And what to do, Rami? What to do, Peter? I think today is pretty obvious. GJ Long is also. If we look at the daily. If we look at the daily candlestick chart, we respected lows cleanly, almost engulfed. After we didn't engulf, daily opened and broke all these highs, breaking this bearish market structure. Bearish market structure has been completely broken, right? If we look at the 4 hour, it's just with this high that got made, it's higher hello, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's exactly what we're looking at right now. Oh my god, I just ruined my indicators. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour. I think it was the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour is pretty clean for us to be able to just capture. Right, this is our low, higher low. Well, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now I know I'm not, without even looking at the chat, without even like, I'm imagining what a whole bunch of people's heads are thinking, and a whole bunch of people are like, hey guys, if you think that we're gonna make a new higher high, if you think that we're bullish, why don't we hop in a buy right now if we see this candlestick exploding upwards? Guys, I don't hop into it. Like, the buy already happened. It's you sniped it while we were at this 50 SMA, or you caught it before it started engulfing this previous candlestick. But if you missed out on that trade, we're watching. That's it. It's Monday. It's very early into the week. 1 second, boys. Me encanta esa idea. Enjoy your meal. Damn, I was trying to show them. I was trying to fucking bring the meal to my stream like hidden. Damn, dude, GG's still pumping. I peeped the trading log, my G. Good shit. Keep it up. Can you check on gold? Yeah, let's check on gold. That's a smart idea to do. All right, so we already know that we're long on GJ. GJ's leaving without us. We're gonna be patient. Patient traders always pays off. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, gold. Wait, the buy happened this morning. It was a risky trade, but worth it if you caught it. Yeah, the buy happened already. Now what the GJ buy does right now, what this bullish momentum does right here, is just confirm us for the rest of the week, guys. Don't feel like you missed out on the trade. Don't get upset because you weren't early to the charts. Like, no. It's Monday, right? No need to risk high. This bullish momentum confirms that we might need to make a new higher high. This bullish momentum confirms that this weekly candlestick is gonna flip from being bearish to bullish. Potentially flip from go bullish and then go bearish again. This looks like it needs to wick fill. We're not in 100% clear as yet for buys for the rest of the week, but definitely we see this bullish momentum very early on, and it could just be something that we're reaching all-time highs again. All-time highs of GJ, all-time highs. When I say all-time highs, I mean like all-time recent highs within the last few years, which is over here, 183,500 levels. But man, this bullish momentum, let's see if it maintains. What I do like, what I really like is this down channel, side channel, up channel, upside down, head and shoulders. All of that mixed within each other. It looks picture perfect. And with the 50 SMA riding right here as a major level of support, man, this 50 SMA is everything right now. This 50 SMA is, you know, every bounce that we get off an 8 or 50 SMA now when it comes to the hourly or the 2 hour. Hourly, 2 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, so now what we see on the 4 hours that are 4 hours trying to flip and basically engulf this 8 SMA. This 8 SMA is acting as a level of resistance, not wanting this 4 hour candlestick to flip and start making a new high. This 4 hour candlestick closes in an hour and... When is this? It closes at 5 o'clock. For me, 5 o'clock. So an hour and 7 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. But I don't know. Why doesn't it show that here? Whatever. Well, it's the daily. There you go. This 4 hour candlestick. This 4 hour candlestick closes at... in an hour and 10 minutes. An hour and 10 minutes. An hour and 10 minutes. This daily candlestick closes in hella. All right, let's go to gold. I told somebody I'd look at gold in an hour. All right, so when we look at gold, I was very bullish on gold since guys, gold is bullish. Gold is very bullish. Gold is very bullish. This is some clean confirmations. Wicks are telling us everything on the higher time frames. Zoom out, we see that we are on a Fibonacci long 0618 rejection. 0618 rejection, Fibonacci long. Guys, we're trading gold or GJ today. Nonetheless, I'm very confident on both of them. I think we just have to wait for our patient setup. What I would love to see on gold is for the weekly to go down a little bit more right now. You know, triggering a whole bunch of buyers into thinking we're at the top of the market, and then which means we have to sell off. And every time people take sells at the top of the market, they feel like the market's just going to tank and they're going to catch the whole fucking move. Let's wait for it to tank a little bit, right? When I say tank, I say maybe we just need to wait for it to engulf that 8 SMA. Maybe, maybe we get triggered in pretty soon now. Four-hour candlestick needs to keep on going down. Let's wait for some candlestick confirmations. Once support starts forming on gold, what I'm anticipating is for this weekly candlestick to be basically... Notice how the last week, the week before that, the week before that, and the week before that, every week that we have opens bearish. Why do I know that it opens bearish? By just looking at the charts. I know it opens bearish because look at the wicks it leaves to the downside. So price goes to the downside, leaves a bunch of wicks, and then by the time the weekly starts going into the middle of the week or towards the end of the week, we start flipping bullish. It's also a JPY public holiday. I did not know that. All right, so we see that, like, yeah, I could potentially see this weekly candlestick form like it's low, form its low, and then I don't know where it flips bullish and leaves a wick. Oh. All right, what else was I gonna look at? See members analysis right away. Let me open up my Discord. Guys, shout out to everybody who's in the live stream. Oh shit, this music is repeating. Let's put this, let's open up. Salut. Japan on holiday? I actually have no idea because I'm going to confirm what the JPY. Guys, we're about to reach 2K subscribers and we have 8 likes on the stream right now. We got 45 people and we got 8 likes, bro. What the hell? 150 likes and we do a giveaway. 17 likes, look at that. All right, what was I gonna do? Somebody was asking me, I pulled out the chart for some reason. Oh, I was gonna pull out the members analysis. Guys, I love that gold is going downwards. Gold is going to give us some great opportunities for longs. I told you guys last week on Monday, I was like, guys, gold looks bearish, but gold is going to end bullish. And I kept on saying, by the end of the week, you guys are going to remember me. By the end of the week, you guys are going to remember me. By the end of the week, you guys are going to remember me. I kept on crying that the whole week. And towards Wednesday, Thursday, it was already going. And I was like, I told you guys, I told you guys. Why is my Discord opening up? Jesus Christ. Discord open. Wait for my Discord to load up, boys. GU pumping. Let's look at GU real quick. Oh my god, GU looks like so, oh wow, dude. Look how clean of a setup GU was, bro. Your Discord glitched maybe. What do I do to open Discord when it glitches? What does that even mean? It's just... Damn, dude. This is such a fire setup right here. Little descending wedge. So, this is a little bit into my trading style, guys. I hope everybody's paying attention when I say this. What I love about why do I think that this is a beautiful setup? What attracts me about taking a long here, guys? You guys see the impulse, which is where price is actually moving. The direction of the candlesticks is upwards, right? That's why we have big green candlesticks, right? Momentum, a lot of momentum upwards, right? What happens right here in this little area? Price literally starts going downwards, right? And how do I know that that's just a correction as an impulse? And then we have the correction phase, and then we have another impulse, and then we have correction phase, and then impulse. That's the way the market works. That's why you want to look at the market. Why do I know that this is a correction phase? Due to the fact that look at the candlesticks here. The candlesticks here have direction and they're very strong. They're very clean, very strong and clean candlesticks, right? Impulse, right? After that, we have this downward phase where price is literally, I call it trickling. Price is trickling as in we're leaving wicks to the upside, we're leaving wicks to the downside. We're slowly moving downwards as in we're trickling to one direction, but it's with low momentum, low volume. So that's how I know that this is the actual impulse of, I mean, this is the actual correction of the whole impulse movement. This was the impulse of the correction. What confirms that? The size of the candlesticks and the volume and the movement, right? All that all together. So now, when it comes down to understanding that this is low volume and that this is price just trickling downwards and therefore it's correcting itself, all you need to do is be able to try to anticipate whenever we're going to get a market open or like maybe anything, a candlestick closure, anything that's going to bring in volume to the market, because all you need for price to keep on going upwards here, whenever we're trickling downwards, let's say because we have an up impulse and then downwards correction, whenever we're having a downwards correction, you just most of the time, all you need is just volume. The only thing the price is doing here is accumulating volume. It's triggering sellers, it's stopping out buyers, and it's just grabbing price, and it's just accumulating volume, literally. And the second that there's enough volume, maybe like a London open, maybe like a 4-hour candlestick open or a 4-hour candlestick close, that's when you could start. And you know, anticipating volume is what you could do to try to trigger yourself into this trade and try to catch like the impulse. Because now, what my market analysis says is that, man, we should come to the top of this market structure by the end of the impulse that we're giving. Does not mean that we could come. Doesn't mean that we can't come back down and test these lows again. No, we can't. But by the end of this impulse, that this shows that this is the impulse, shows that impulse shows that we are going to the upside this session. I think that we have to minimum target these highs right here. Let's look at GJ retrace. Yes, bitch. Which GJ retracing? That's good because that means gold is also probably retracing, and gold is holding a little bit more than retracing. We're at a strong ass level of support on gold. I potentially want to take gold longs, guys, very soon. Very soon. I'm hoping gold retraces even more and doesn't start going long without me, but I am very interested in taking gold longs. New hourly candlestick just barely opened up across all the boards. Hourly candlestick making lows. I'm already in those longs. You're in gold longs already? I love it, Saxy. It's a little bit aggressive. The only reason I'm not going to be super aggressive, one, I think we're on a win streak. 2, it's Monday and I got 49 people watching and I don't want to disappoint anybody. So we are gonna be patient and wait for our one setup of the day that is gonna be our win. I need my Discord to open already, bro. Come on. Anybody knows when something doesn't want to open on your computer, what the hell you gotta do? It's fucking annoying, dude. Why is nothing playing out into my favor, dude? Oh my god. It's crazy. I don't trust anybody by clicking alt anything. I'm gonna just open up the fucking this version of it. Wow, the desktop version of it's not that bad. Oh wow. Alright, well this is not that bad. Members analysis. Oh, that boy caught it at the bottom of the range. Oof. And he caught it at the bottom of this little, I love this little market structure you got going on here, little channel. Shout out. Oh, I already liked it. Shout out to Frank. Is Frank in the chat? How's everything, Frank? Damn, Miguel's in a signal. Damn, Miguel had to take profit. Hit it with some water usually. Jesus Christ. Guys, for everybody who was asking about our spreadsheet, our trading log, guys, if you guys go to the trading log section in the chat, right? If somebody's not in the Discord, I'm gonna send the Discord right now so you guys can join the Discord. Discord link is in the bottom of the comment section right now. Guys, when you guys go to the trading log section, everything has been updated, as in everything. When I say I didn't have my June chart updated, so I went back into the Discord signals and I went and I caught every trade. I mean, I logged every trade that we sent on the Discord signals in June. There are some trades that we took on live stream, and I don't know, forget that. GJ time. All right, let's look at GJ. You guys think that this is the long right here? It's possibly. We're testing this 8 SMA. Previous resistance and support. I mean, it's a valid setup. No, I'm not saying it's not a valid setup, and I mean, I'm looking at it at hindsight and it looks great, right? Hindsight, it looks amazing. I think, you know, if you're gonna take a trade right now, guys, stop loss at one, you know, have a stop loss to go to 250. 250 is a good stop loss, right? Let price breathe if it actually needs to come down anymore. So 250. So that's a 25 pip stop loss from 550 to 250, and then we go all the way here to 750. Oh no, even more, 850. This is the valid setup that I see right now. All right, we're gonna take this trade and we're gonna send this trade. We're gonna send this trade to the. I haven't executed it on mine. Nonetheless, I think it's the free trade of the day that we were gonna catch. 181.550. Let's send this to the Discord. Oh, can't do it through there. Alright. So after we catch or lose this trade, we might stay on stream for a little bit more. What my plan is doing today, guys, today I'm gonna open up my new 100K challenge. On that new 100K challenge, I'm gonna go to my private Zoom chat to the VIP. We're gonna go to the VIP and we're gonna take our first trade on that challenge all together. You know, so if anybody wants to follow along with their accounts, I'm opening up a new 100K and we're gonna risk, let's say 1%, maybe 0.5% today, and we're gonna try to put ourselves into the greens early. So that is the game plan of today. So if anybody wants to be a part of the VIP Zoom chat that we're gonna have, guys, we're gonna go live stream this week. We're gonna live stream every single day for about an hour, max, pulling it an hour and a half. But we're gonna have some very long private Zooms. Those private Zooms is where I'm gonna do a lot of teaching, a lot of hands-on with people that need. Oh shit, I'm not even showing my chart. Hands-on with people that need a little bit more experience, people that need a little bit more mentoring. We have some great traders that don't need much mentoring at all inside of that live stream. Inside of the private chat. Nonetheless, yeah, the private chat, that's where I'm trying to hold the best. Like, probably I would have not taken this trade on the private chat, and I say that while we're in drawdown, but no, I mean that's why I haven't executed on my phone. It's a little bit too early into the session for me to trade it, but I did throw a very fat stop loss here, 30 pip stop loss, to avoid any stupidity happens. I think it's 35 actually. Let's confirm it's 35. Yeah, it'd be a stupid way to get stopped out though, with price just coming down randomly. All right, let me try to send this to the signals. 181.550, 181.900. I can't see the comment section. Let me see the comment section. What the comment section is saying. All right, GJ time. Everybody looks like they're in GJ, bro. I've only taken one loss this month. Are you in already or setting it up? I'm honestly not in this trade. I'll leave it and call it out as one of the trades, one of the call out trades for the day. So I could go on to the. It's valid. It's a valid setup. It's just very early onto the session, and like I don't know. Just it is a little bit at resistance. Something tells me that the setup is not the best of the best of the best. That's the sad truth. Nonetheless, I'm going to consider it as one of the trades that we are calling out today. Like I said, after this trade hits or loses, we are most likely going to starting our private Zoom chat. LOL, you sound like 40%. 40% like I 40% like this trade, or you only hear me like very little. Guys, I updated like 40% only like this trade. Look, when you guys go to trading log, I finally updated. This is every trade that we have sent to the Discord and every trade that we have taken live. We have 37 wins, 9 losses. So when we come to April, in April we had this win streak here on GJ was a 9 win streak, 2 losses. In May we finally hit a 10 win streak. We still got only 2 losses. In June we got 2 early losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 win streak. And then this month so far, this is what we have done this month up to date. We are currently on a 3 win streak, right? We've lost 3 times this month. We are at a, oh no. I think this was the only month right here that we closed beneath. This was a 78% win rate. Besides the month of June that we closed at a 78% win rate. May, April, and July we have been above 80% win rate, so that is good to keep into mind whenever we are, I don't know, whenever you guys are taking my trades. Use the statistics into your favor. It doesn't mean that we can't go through a loss streak. Doesn't mean that we can't lose 5 trades in a row. It's totally possible. You guys will see me one day lose goddamn 5 trades in a row. Hopefully not anytime soon, and hopefully, yeah, hopefully it doesn't ever happen. But like the possibility is there. That's what I'm trying to say. The possibility is there. Charts have been playing out into our favor. We've been taking our retracement bullish buys very cleanly, very consistently, and that's what's been putting us into profit and helping us win trades. So I'm following the same strategy. That's the only reason that I think that this trade gill is to be valid enough to take the trade. Now, yeah, I like 0.5% risk though on this trade right here, guys. I don't like full percent risk. Full percent risk is for A+ setups. I do not consider this an A+ setup. Especially when I prefer this gold long. Now that I'm looking at it, Jesus Christ, I prefer the gold long. I hate myself. So I'm actually gonna gold may have been a better call, you think. Oh my god, Slick Block, I agree, dude. Gold looks like a way better call. I actually wish I had my 100K account, the new 100K account right now, because I would probably take gold buys right now. Best gold buys right now of the night. 1953.30, right? Let's say 1953. I mean, we're at prices at 1953.30, right? 1953.30 with a stop loss at 1949 to assure never getting stopped out. 1949, 1953, so that's a 2.5 lot. 2.5 lot risking 1%. This looks like a good trade. You're going to put a stop loss on 1952.20, 1952.20. What? At the bottom of this wick, I don't like it. I like a fatter stop loss. Oh, that's your entry? All right, 19. We're at 1952 right now. I'm going to just say 1953. I'm actually going to send this to the Discord. All right, after these trades hit, or they don't hit, or hit, after they hit or they don't hit, we're going to go into our private Zoom, like I said. Once we go to our private Zoom, we're going to open up our new 100K challenge, and we're going to try taking you wilding on that, bud. Jesus Christ. I have had many people hop into my chat and tell me that my gold trades are not going to hit. Many times. It actually motivates me. We're going to keep gold on the screen. We're going to keep gold on the screen, and see how this, see what happens. GU buys anyone? Yeah, I'm in GU. Let me see GU right now. Like I'm repeating, boys. I literally like fucking like gold more than GJ and GU. Oof. Aggressiveness. Is there music on right now, boys? I don't even hear anything. Yeah, there is. Stops to be around 54.50, 1955. Don't forget to like up the stream, y'all. Don't forget to like up the stream, y'all. G pump gold pump gold pump. We have how many people took this gold trade? I want to know how many people are in this gold trade with me. GJ, will it go up, bro? Potentially. I think our stop losses are very well. We're starting to reach some levels of support right now. Those levels of support should start showing us reaction. I doubt that we just fucking melt straight to stop loss. Yeah, no, we should. You know, price doesn't look like it's gonna fly right away, but it doesn't look like we're gonna get stopped out right away. We should be able to range around a little bit. And look it go. Not hating. I know you're not hating, and I'm not being mean either when I was like, oh, whatever. Not hating. I'm just saying I'm bullish right now on Nas and on DAX, and usually when we're bullish, gold usually sells. I could be wrong. Yeah, I mean, price right now looked bearish on gold. Like, I mean, bearish as in the sense is that we've been moving downwards. But this downwards momentum, the way we're showing, like I was just explaining this earlier, guys, whenever I said, guys, we have our impulse clearly to the upside, right? This is the impulse. How do I know that this is the impulse and that this is the correction? Due to the fact that this is where the clean volume candlesticks are, right? So when I understand the higher time frames are telling me that gold needs to go bullish, right? I already looked at the weekly on bullish, guys. I've told you guys that the weekly on bullish, the weekly on gold is bullish. Why? Look at all these wicks projections of the downside we are leaving, right? This could leave the same thing, especially when we come to the daily candlestick chart. Well, not the daily, but it's on the weekly. Okay. Also, right? When I come and start reading what impulse and correction is, this is the impulse, right? So if this is the impulse, most likely, like I said, again, direction is going to keep on going upwards, right? And so this is the correction phase. How do I know it's the correction phase? Price is trickling, right? Price is moving slowly, leaving wicks upwards, leaving wicks downwards. Nothing too clean. Like, look, we have a liquidity grab of the downside, and then we pushed upwards. Like, this is all just choppiness. And what it is price grabbing, price accumulating, price grabbing volume, price triggering people, stopping out people, getting people that are impatient, and this is a correction. So me understanding that this is a correction phase, me understanding that the only thing I need for my trade to hit if I hop in during the correction phase is to have not a fat stop, have a stop loss that's valid, and then try to catch the volume, right? That's the only thing you need for these trades to hit, you know. So what I'm expecting is for hopefully before we come and hit this stop loss over here, because this stop loss is totally a possibility of hitting. I want volume to come in random because we've lost volume within these last 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These last like 10, 15 hours, we've been very low on volume on gold. So the second that we get a lot of volume on gold, I'm hoping that we fucking get some bullish momentum and it changes the direction of which price is actually moving right now. Because the majority of the time when you have direction, when you have price moving slowly in a direction, if you get volume, it usually changes the direction of where price is moving. So that is the reason that I like this gold trade. That is the reason that, I mean, it's put us straight into profit, at least. Anything can happen still, but that's the reason that I found it a valid trade. And that's the reason, yeah, buys are always going to be way more cleaner than sells right now. How long till the Zoom call, bro? Let's wait till one of these trades hit. One of the trades fell. One of the trades fell, or one of the trades hit. The second one of the trades fall. The second that one of these trades fell or one of these trades hit, we're gonna go to a private Zoom call, and I'm gonna buy that 100K FTMO live with you guys, and we're gonna try to take that first trade of the FTMO challenge. So if you guys are in my VIP and you guys want to wait to take my trade, and it being the VIP trade. The VIP trades, I'm always gonna make sure that I'm always taking A+ setups. Like for example, I didn't like this GJ setup. Nonetheless, I'm just trying to. You know, it's something that I actually would take on low risk. I didn't take it. I'd be lying if I told you that I took it. Nonetheless, I'm calling it out. I think it's a valid call out. Still has a very strong chance of getting stopped out. I prefer gold much more, right? So if you guys want to close out on GJ now that we're at break even, and you guys want to go into gold, I prefer gold much more. And gold's already in profit. Yeah. Guys, 36 likes and 90 viewers. How the hell we got 36 likes and 90 viewers? Like up the stream, boys. Support the channel. It helps the algorithm. Last stream we reached like 150 viewers, 140 viewers due to the fact that everybody liked the stream. Everybody was commenting stuff. So, boys, show some fucking love. Like up the stream. If you took this gold trade, hopefully that put you guys in profit early on. I wouldn't close GJ if I was you. You'll see profit. And it's going downwards. Yeah, dude. I always show love. Thank you, AJ. You a beast. GU looks like it might recover more. I like this gold trade more. This gold trade is literally fucking beautiful. And if this gold trade comes back into break even, it's not a stops at break even or anything like that. That just means that everybody who did not get to hop in gets a chance to hop in now. Don't give a fuck, you shouldn't have had a habit. I ain't perfect, my mama at home, my daddy nasty, even though they ain't shit. I'm glad they had me. I'm back talking loose to irritate my bitch look back. I just bought a moose, niggas worse than women hang around just to talk to moose. My cousin stole from me, beat his ass and I popped. Accidentally put it in her booty, I was drunk, she like yellow. My bad, Blue. Blue, I promise you that I will have an exact schedule, because this was a Monday live stream and I didn't see a lot of chatting on the VIP. I had a feeling that if I started the VIP, I feel like because it was Monday and it's like early market open, that we're gonna get a whole bunch of people in the VIP that are not there, and I didn't want to try to take the first trade of the FTMO without everybody there. So let's I'll tell you that assured the VIP Zooms will starting tomorrow before the live streams, right? We'll start the private Zooms at pre-London, 30 minutes before London Open, right? So 30 minutes before London session opens, we'll start our private Zooms most likely all the time, max at London Open. And then by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, we should be starting by 3 hours into London session, 4 hours into London session, we should be starting our public live streams. So I apologize, Blue, that I did not give you an exact time. I think that you deserved an exact time if you're going to be paying for the mentorship. So I apologize for that. I will make sure that I give a firm schedule, and I'll stay on that schedule as strong as possible. So when it comes to right now, today, hopefully, I mean, I think we're 36 minutes into the stream. So let's say in 25 minutes, we're going to end this stream. It's 36 minutes and an hour into the stream. We're going to end the stream and go into our private Zoom and be a part of we're going to go into our VIP. Guys, if you guys are new here, we have a VIP where we go into private Zooms and do a whole bunch of teaching and mentorship inside of there. And what I'm going to be doing for the first week of the VIP, which just barely opened, I'm going to be opening a new 100K FTMO account. I've passed the challenge live in front of people here on stream before, showing them the exact trade that I'm taking, showing them the exact block size, showing them exactly when I'm closing. And a whole bunch of people could grab their accounts and follow along. And yeah, the first series of the VIP is that we're going to be passing a 100K account. How to enter without credit card? I really don't know logistically. I know that I could. I mean, I guess fucking if you're trying to say that you don't have a credit card, you're trying to pay into another way you could pay. I'd probably accept Bitcoin and then just manually add you or something like that. But up to the moment, I only yeah. All right, so we're halfway to profit in our gold trade. Let's look at GJ. GJ, like I said, looks like a dump. Nonetheless, it looks like it might be recovering. GU is probably going. GU looks better than GJ. Wow, that is annoying. That is so annoying. Guys, is anybody in GU and instead of GJ? Who's the smart guy that took GU instead of GJ? I know there has to be one smart guy in here. Oh, I love coffee. Made 11.2K on NAS and DAX. Jesus Christ. A Denzel, you made 11.2K on NAS and DAX. A Denzel was actually the first person to see my gold trade and told me I was going to get clapped. If you guys recall, the last gold trade I took, oh no, it was the second last gold trade I took. There was also somebody in the chat telling me that my gold trade sucked ass. And I was like, bro, it sucks ass? I was like, I'll see you on the other side then. I was like, your stop loss, he was actually taking gold sells while I was taking gold longs. And yeah, Dr. Dollar came into the stream and started. Whenever somebody's talking shit about your trade, guys, and he wasn't talking shit, he's showing support. He's here in the channel showing support. It was not negativity. It was, and I'm not giving any negativity towards it. I'm kind of just giving you a little lesson. Don't ever get psychology. Guys, if majority of the people think it's going to sell, it's most likely going to go long. Start going with that logic in your guys' life. If majority of the people were correct in this life when it came to trading, then trading would be easy. Majority of the people in this fucking world would be fucking good traders. Now, he didn't tell me gold is going to sell off. He just thinks that the confluence was showing the opposite, right? He says, I see constant buys on NAS and DAX. And because I see those constant net, like he's making his own analysis, and it's great analysis. It's a great job the way he's doing it. I'm not looking at those analysis, so that my bias didn't really change from what I just see the clear impulse correction, whatever. My point is, yeah, just don't get psychology fucked up by people seeing other things because I'm not right and he's not right. Like what he saw is valid, just as valid as what I saw. You know, It's just which one's gonna play out this time statistically. But yeah, hopefully that you got a whole bunch of people took this gold trade. Guys, one's in the chat who took this gold trade with me, and shout out to Denzel. All love, brother. All straight love. It was 0-0-0. Yeah. So 11.2K Denzel. Did you make that on a? Are you trading like FTMO, or are you trading on a challenge account, or is it a challenge account? Is it a live account? Fucking slaughtered at 11.2K. I don't remember the last time. Last time I made 11.2K in a day. Well, I don't think 11.2K. I mean, I probably have done it, like passing a challenge like instantly in one day. All right, so we got Slick Blocka that was in the trade. He liked gold. Slick Blocka was one of the ones that liked the gold the most before GJ. So Peter, good shit. You're a fucking sniper. Goon, Saxy, Banger. Ooh. What's my TP? 1958. And honestly, guys, this is one of those trades that this could easily just run, guys. Close 70% of your trade max. Let the rest run. I'm telling you guys, when gold goes on runs, gold goes on real ones. The weekly just turned bullish. The gold literally could fucking reach the 20s, the 2000s, brother. The 2000s easily. One love, bro. Good. Coming down hard. Got me some nice profits. Lovely trade this was, bro. Fucking yes. Love to see people taking my trades, and love to see people being able to profit. That means you guys' execution is on point, boys. Execution is on point. Boom. All right, let's look at GJ for now. Oh my god. It's disgusting. I told you guys I had a feeling that this was a shitty ass trade, but at least I have a stop loss that potentially, like, I could survive this. I'm telling you guys, a little bit too many people thought that it was a good entry, and I was like, I think my stop loss is really good though. I think the second that this stop loss fucking holds and it goes into anywhere near break even, I'm gonna consider this a break even trade. You should have known the golden zone. It's a golden zone short rejection. Oh my god, look at that wick. Golden zone rejection of the downside. We deserve to get clapped if we get clapped here, boys. We deserve to get clapped. All right. You don't like GU? I don't like GU right now due to the fact that I don't like GJ. Does that make sense? Now, GU looks so picture perfect. Holy fuck. Wow. I love GU. I love GU. I love GU. Man, this is such a good fucking trade right now. Oh my god. I'd look like a fucking gambler fucking trying to have people hop into this trade right now. It looks so good though. Frank, confirm to me that this doesn't look so good. Guys, we got our down channel. We have our side channel. We literally had a liquidity grab of our side channel. So this is our side channel right now, but we had a liquidity grab, right? Liquidity grab of the downside showing us that we need to keep on pushing upwards, right? We also, this is a little correction, down channel, side channel, and now we literally look like we need to form an up channel. Besides that, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. Jesus Christ, dude. What I like about GU, we're not going to take a GU trade right now. If you guys want to take GU, if you guys are not in GJ, if you guys missed out on GJ and you guys missed out on gold, I allow you guys to take a GU long. Where do I want a stop loss? I want stop losses halfway to this resistance down here, right? Halfway. So not here, but halfway of this, okay? It looks a little bit big, but that's where I want the stop loss if you guys are going to take a stop loss, okay? Now, why am I not going to take this trade? Due to the fact that if this starts pumping upwards, I have a feeling that GJ should not get stopped out, and GJ should be able to keep on pushing upwards. Nonetheless, this is a great bullish flag. Down channel, side channel, up channel. Bullish momentum looks great there. 50 SMA is the only thing damaging this, but this wick is showing us that we need to keep on pushing upwards. We're going to soon reach this level where whatever price reaches in this zone, we literally have a whole bunch of bullish momentum. It's about to look real good. And GU is looking horrible. Alright, and gold for us is looking amazing. Guys, I'm telling you guys, it's just so easy to identify when one trade looks way better than the other. The second I saw gold, I was like, guys, gold looks so much better. And we got triggered in. And, yeah. Beast gold trade. I wish this would have been the first trade on the FTMO account. The MAs are crossing right now, though. On what? So on gold, we have our 50 SMA beneath our 8 SMA on GU. I mean, so on this, so our SMAs are in our favor right here, right? On this 15-minute time frame. We'll go to 30-minute time frame. 50 SMA, we're in a range, right? Because our SMAs act as support and resistance, right? So when we go to, what is it, the 30-minute time frame, resistance, support, we're trading within this. Love that you're taking it patiently at the end, Paris. Guys, so we have the VIP for English, right? I mean, we have our VIP for London session. I'm the VIP trader for London session, guys. If you guys want to check out my track record for the VIP for all the London trades, this is all the trades that we take on London. In April, we went on a 9-win streak, 2 losses. May, 10-win streak, 2 losses. All caught live. This is all on the Discord signals. Then this is how we did in June. And then this is how we've done right now in July. In July, we went on a little bit of a win streak. We took 3 losses. This is the most losses we've taken in a month. We are 37 wins, 9. Oh, you guys can't see it, but we're right here. It says, we're 37 wins, 9 losses, and 12 break-evens. That's an 81% win rate, right? So what was I gonna say? Oh, and if you guys go and look at Miguel's trading log, so we also have a trader. If you guys join the VIP, you guys also have access to this guy's trades. Miguel, majority of the people know who Miguel is. And Miguel right now is currently on a win streak, brothers and sisters. July, this is his win streak right now. If you guys look at if you guys go to the signals, look, he actually caught the gold, the GJ sells. Guys, once in the chat, if you guys have been taking Miguel's signals, or if you guys have caught any of his signals recently within this win streak that he has hit. 9 win streak right now. This is Miguel's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I think the 9 one he hasn't registered it yet. Miguel's been crushing it. Yeah, so we have a whole bunch of people that do take Miguel's trades and that they're paying attention to what he's doing. So you guys see it's not just a random bot there. Guys, gold was the way to go. Ugh. I'm gonna just consider that if we get stopped out, it's gonna be 1 loss, 1 win for the public live stream. I don't mind putting that. Just fuck, man. I knew that we shouldn't have taken this GJ trade. I told you guys it looked horrible. That's why. That's exactly. And us taking the GJ trade is what triggered me into taking this gold trade. Is due to the fact that I saw that gold looked way better, and I knew that GJ had a chance of not hitting. I was like, yo, there's no chance that both of these don't hit. So if you guys want to join the VIP, guys, like I said, we're going to be starting a new FTMO challenge where I'm going to be sharing every trade that I take on the FTMO. I'm going to be sharing the lot size. I'm going to be sharing everything, full transparency, pulling out the account metrics, and I'm going to have people try to pass their challenges along with me. You guys can do that by joining the VIP, and I'm going to send the VIP link. We are actually going to start the Zoom chat very soon due to the fact that we're about to hit our gold trade and about to lose the other one, which means we don't need to be on live stream anymore. And hopefully, yeah, I get to see the majority of the people that are here in the public stream on the fucking private Zoom. We're gonna start doing the private streams at the beginning of every London Open. So we'll most likely, like, imagine this was the private Zoom chat. We would catch our trades with the private Zoom. Maybe literally set the trade once we're in profit. We'll open up the public live stream, and then we'll go and start live streaming on YouTube. So you guys can be on the Zooms and be on the live streams as well. I'm gonna blow my nose, guys. 1 second. So I'm gonna take off the camera and mute the mic. We are back. High-key, I've discovered that it feels pretty good to blow your nose. Whenever you blow your nose, and actually I'm not going to be specific with it. That's disgusting. How can I get the VIP channel? The VIP channel is by, if you look at the comment section right now, underneath your comment, whatever you just wrote. If you guys look, I'm going to send the VIP link. Should be in the description. And there's, yeah. Do you do coke? No. Not at all. I've been sick. I've been very sick for the last few days. I smoke weed though. Oh, look, green screen. Look, green screen on a little on weed. If you green screen weed, look, I can see through the candlesticks, bruh. That is fire. You see through the. Ooh. It's like Weedception. 420 live, brother. You like looking through the nugs. That's fire. Don't stop me out, GJ. Leave me on a win streak. Oh my god, look how beautiful GU looks. Guys, anybody in the chat take GU after I was claiming how beautiful it fucking looked? Anybody in the chat take GU? Please tell me, is it a just Cali or star or something? Is it just, it's Cali. All right, guys, anybody take GU? I wonder if anybody took GU. One's in the chat if you took gold. One's in the chat if you took gold. I want to know, one's in the chat if you took gold with me and you guys have profited off gold. Please tell me that somebody took gold. I want to know how many people took gold with me. One. Oh, same one. Oscar, love that, bro. You guys are fucking beasts. Beast. What about twos in the chat if you guys took GU? Damn, we have a whole bunch of people that took gold. Shout out to fucking you guys, brother. Shout out to you guys. So like, realistically, what I think full transparency in a Discord signal would be, and this is what I offer in the VIP, hopefully if everybody's paying attention, is that like I would want to show you guys exactly how much I hopped into this trade. I would have thrown a 2.5 lot, right? I would show you the 2.5 lot, and then after that, I would show you guys once I get to take profit one if I'm gonna close or if I'm gonna leave it. I would most likely leave it at this point, and then you guys would literally be able to see my account balance and be able to follow it 100% of the time. So you guys could literally be like, oh, I'm gonna close whenever he closes, I'm gonna open whenever he opens, and not literally just take my signal, but also take my candlestick closings and take my runners and take my stop losses to break even, and yeah, that's exactly why I think that the VIP is going to be a little bit more. You guys are going to have a little bit more access to what I'm doing with my trades, and it's going to be a little bit more easier to be able to follow along. Especially if when you guys see me trying to pass that challenge, and you guys have your own challenges next to it, and you guys see that I'm down maybe on my challenge, and you guys are like, oh, he's probably not going to miss his next trades, and then I don't know. You guys use it how you guys can to your advantage, as well as are most likely. I mean, also. Maybe there's people that don't want to take my signals and they're just learning, right? And they're like, oh man, I just really want to learn his style. Guys, on the private Zooms that we have is the exact chance that you guys are going to be able to get, where you guys are going to be able to unmute your mic, unmute your screen, you know, present yourselves, share your screen with me, show me how you do market analysis, show me how you trade, show me what pairs you've been trading, show me everything. And that's where you guys are going to, it's like literally having a one-on-one class, right? Because the guy that's taking advantage and asking questions is the guy that's going to get the most attention. You should add other modes of payment on your VIP. I'm not comfortable letting other people know my credit card info. So if you guys are not familiar with where you guys are putting your credit card info, that's Stripe. That's Stripe is what takes your credit card info. I don't see your credit card info. Stripe does, okay? And that goes across the board with every Forex trader. Everybody uses Stripe as a payment form. So when you use Stripe, like literally you can check the biggest businesses in the world use Stripe. Like Stripe is a very prestigious known company with insurance and fraud and a whole bunch of things. I'm the one that kind of faces most of me being the one using Stripe is the one that kind of gets fucked. Because if I were to accept crypto, nobody can take back their crypto. What people usually do is they put their credit card and then they fucking call in and say that they got scammed or then they decline it. But like I have no access of seeing anything when it comes to fucking credit cards on Stripe. So if you guys are not familiar with Stripe is, just Google Stripe a little bit and you guys will see that what accepts your payments is like a whole nother system that charges me money. Like it's not that I accept fucking credit card payments and shit like that. No, it's a whole nother system that accepts credit card payments that is secured by insurance. Like I don't know how to fucking tell you, but it's a big corporation. A whole bunch of really big companies all over the internet use Stripe as a form of payment due to the fact that it makes everything easy. Let's check EU. Wow, I love this. I told my girlfriend's dad that fucking the euro was gonna keep on flying. Last week it flew, this week it keeps on flying. He has a business where he always has to be trading fucking euros for dollars because he buys a whole bunch of truck parts, and he asked me if he thinks this is gonna keep on going up. And look at this, boys, we going. That's how you get on the good side of your fucking girl's dad. Fucking tell him which way the market's moving. Legit. Let's look at gold real quick. I didn't give it any EU breakdown right there, but because there is no EU breakdown, EU pumped without us. So the only thing you can do on EU is wait for it to come back and try to catch the long again. But like, guys, this is straight bullish price action. Look at these wicks to the downside. This needs to go a lot, and it's kind of hard to hop in. This is like when Bitcoin is flying, guys. You know when Bitcoin is flying, whenever there's a crypto flying, let's say Dogecoin is pumping. You don't really hop into the fucking chart when Dogecoin is pumping. If you hop in with it, for anybody who traded when crypto was pumping and there was like a whole bunch of days where if Dogecoin's up 40% and you hop in right there, that shit's gonna come down. You're gonna lose half your money. It's like that's the way it works. Like you don't buy at resistance. In the way the market works, you buy low, so buy when we're low, and you sell when we're high. So the only thing that makes sense is a sell at the top here. Now, who wants to take sells on this bullish looking pair? Idiots. So only idiots want to do that. I'm just kidding. I'm not trying to. I prefer sells at the top. So actually, it's not idiots. Idiots want to take buys at the top. GJ is going bad. Well, at least we got to catch our gold trade, guys. Shout out to everybody who did catch the gold trade with us today. And then when it comes down to GJ, GJ is most likely in the dump. Look at SPX real quick. All right, so when it comes down to, this is Miguel's spreadsheet. Like I said, Miguel's on a 9-win streak. When it comes down to my spreadsheet, let's look at trading log. Guys, remember, if you guys are not in the Discord, I'm gonna send the Discord link. Or could somebody send Sentry, Delavi, Frank, AJ? Could somebody send the Discord link to the comment section like 3 times? USD/JPY. I'm gonna check. Oh my God, GU is not flying. Don't say that. 2's in the chat if you guys took this GU trade that I called out. 2's in the chat if you took this GU trade. I have not exited on gold. 2's in the trade if you took the GJ chat. All right, so if you guys go to the Discord section, you guys can see in the Discord section, you guys can go to the trading log. Right here it says trading log on the side. You guys go to the trading log, and then the first link you guys can click on will show you guys all the trades that I have taken on live stream. And this is, oh, we're currently on a win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on a 6-win streak with gold hitting. That's 7. So this is where I need to put gold. Oh wait, this is not even. This is for June. We're in July. We're not on a win streak. We're on a 3-win streak. 1, 2, 3. We've taken the last 3 trades. But all right. So this is July 17. All right. I'm gonna fill that out later. But yeah, you guys can check out my GJ is dying. Wow. 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 Well, I mean, GJ hasn't moved. But yeah, and then you guys go to the bottom, and I already did all the calculations where you guys see all our for the last 4 months, we have called out 37 wins, 9 losses. I'm moving to the side because you guys can't really see it right here. Maybe I could, maybe not. All right, fuck it. It says right here though. Oh, my chair's in the way. Right here. 37 wins, 9 losses, 12 break evens. That leaves us at an 81% win rate. So on live stream, we've had an 81% win rate. Yeah. I forgot what was the point of me saying that. I think I was going to say something around the lines of, guys, if you guys have been taking our last trades and you guys have been following along, you guys, like, I don't know, there's a 0 chance that I've blown anybody's account. And if you guys have blown your accounts off my trades, it's because you guys really over leveraged randomly when I took the loss. Check EG. What? EG? Duncan, check your Discord messages. Gas, man. Yeah, it is gas that we have fucking slaughtered it for these last 4 months. Discord. Can I open it live? What's the process? Why didn't it go through? Really weird. I'll figure that out. Hold up. Let me see. Blue bezel. What time we call it? My bad. GJ drowning. Jesus Christ. Guys, I told you guys GJ did not look like a good trade. That's exactly why I fucking called out gold, for gold being the trade. Euro USD. Alright, Euro USD. Alright, so when it comes down to Euro USD, guys, look at this daily candlestick. This daily candlestick, alright, so we had a very strong bullish, and then we had a continuation candlestick. This is not a reversal. This is literally continuation candlestick. This is just momentum maintaining itself. Are you still in GJ? Yes, I'm still in GJ. So guys, like, there's not much to look at this chart. This chart makes it seem like we need to come back and tap this 8 SMA pretty soon. But it's like, if you guys were to take a sell trying to target this 8 SMA, guys, it's like so bullish. You don't want to go against all this bullish buying pressure. If you guys look at this 4-hour candlestick chart, we have respected this 8 SMA for a very long time. The only thing I can think of looking for a trade idea on EU is trading this 8 SMA on the 4-hour. So look at the 4-hour and look at your 8 SMA. Every time you come back and tap this blue little line, the 8 SMA on your 4-hour candlestick chart, you guys can take longs and try riding the trend. Like, that's the only thing that you could possibly do. Or try to wait for it to sell out to like one of these levels of support right here, and then try to ride it, keep on riding it. But anything else besides that, it's very, very high risk on EU. EU is left without us, right? And GJ is about to be a goner, and gold is still looking. Well, gold hit TP1 already. Oh, do I have music on still? Oh, I do. 58 likes, guys. We got 58 likes on the stream, and we got 136 people. 136 people, and we only got 58 likes, boys. Like up the stream if you guys got to catch gold longs with us. Like up the stream if you guys caught anything with us. Like up the stream if you guys have learned anything in the stream. Like up the stream, boys. Helps the channel grow. So, how often do you post in the Signal chat VIP? So the VIP is where, because there's a lot of new people. I'm sorry for the explanation that I'm going to give again. The VIP is where I'm going to be doing my private live streams. We're going to be live streaming every single day before this public live stream starts, this YouTube live stream. So we're going to be on London Open. We're going to be going on live stream, and I'm supposed to send 1 trade a day. I've already sent 1 trade a day. So exactly what I've been doing for the last few months, which is where I send 1 trade a day on live stream, max 2 trades a day, is what I'm going to start doing on the private Zooms. On the private Zooms as well, the private Zooms are going to start before the public live streams, and on the private Zooms, I'm going to make sure that we get a trade to one to 2 trades every single day. For the first week of the private Zoom, and the first few weeks of the private Zoom, which the private Zoom was supposed to start last week, basically. Private Zooms, I'm also going to be purchasing an FTMO challenge that we're going to be passing all together. As in, like, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the lot size that I take, sharing with you guys when I open my trade, when I close it, and like showing you guys the account metrics opened up on my screen and everything, so you guys can literally follow along with all the trades that I'm taking, and I could show you guys how I pass a challenge with you guys taking the signal, and with you guys also following along on when I close the trade, when I open it, when I leave my runner, when it's actual break even. And full transparency, you guys will be able to take every single trade with me. And yeah, so just because I'm trying to build up the VIP a little bit more, and the live and randomly the YouTube live streams start doing really good, is why the live streams are lasting a little bit longer. But my idea is for the VIP, the live stream, the VIP private Zooms to be lasting around 2 to 3 hours, and then me coming on YouTube live after the live stream and just showing the trades that we caught, sharing with everybody the wins that we did, and this is goner. And yeah, that's exactly what I have planned. All right, so we're gonna. I think new 4-hour will initiate the reversal on GJ. I agree. I mean, I think now the buys are starting to look a lot better than they looked before. Like I said, guys, the GJ right now, as you guys can see, let's look at it on this time frame. All it needed was to make another little shoulder. So this is like a little upside down head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, you know. So we're at the shoulder again. Now is when you start trying to see, try to actually get reactions. What time does it start? 1 a.m. or 3 a.m. So I'm not sure what time frame you're in. The private Zooms should start 30 minutes before London Open or at London Open. Maybe sometimes an hour before London Open. It's basically before London Open. At one point, I was telling everybody that we're gonna do the private Zooms after. At first the idea was I was gonna go on YouTube Live and then close off the YouTube Live and go to the private Zoom. But then at one point, I kind of missed out on a whole bunch of trades. So we're going to start off with the private Zooms, get everybody into profit on the private Zooms, call out a banger trade. And after the banger trade hits, or it doesn't hit, we'll go on to live stream. Wow. It's bothering me that GJ looks like a great buy right now. It's funny how now GJ looks like a great buy. Once I got stopped out and actually flew. Man, patience is everything. I was a little bit impatient when I said that GJ looked like a good trade. I mean, I never said it looked like an amazing trade. I said it looked like a valid setup. I said that I didn't even like it, and that's why we actually took this gold trade, due to the fact that I didn't like the way GJ looked. I kind of like how it looks now, where it is, right? A whole bunch of potential to get back up to resistance. Guys, we're gonna start ending this live stream pretty soon because I'm gonna start going into the private chat with my VIP. Yo, but AJ, are you having problems confirming how to get into what EMA? I'm using my 8, which is the blue line, and then the 50 is the red one. Are you having problems with your card, or even problems verify yourself, like putting your little pin in because you have to like confirm it into the live stream? Gold. Anybody selling gold right now, boys? Guys, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys look at the comment section right now where I'm going to send you guys the Discord link. And the Discord link, you guys will be able to see all the trades that I send. You guys will be able to have access to our free trades. You guys will be able to have access to our community chat, so our members analysis, everything related like that. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of people that did join. Shall we do a reaction video with that music video? What? So 3 hours back, the private stream will start. So 3-ish. Is that when you guys give Bulan, you're telling me 3-ish? 3-ish for me because I'm Eastern time. Eastern time, 3 o'clock. Yeah, the private VIPs will start. Are those girls in the VIP? What girls? The music video before that one, I did not even see it. What you guys are talking about? Run through them hundreds a day, what we used to pray for. I know they mad that I change, ain't whipping the same source. I know they mad that I change. AJ, if you want, I can send you the invite. I'll send you an invite. No, basically, so I'm putting my card in for right now. Run through them hundreds a day, what we used to pray for. I know they mad that I change, ain't whipping the same one. I know they mad that I change, ain't making the same course. Ain't taking no days off. Bitch, I got them bands on me. Anybody in the chat right now is in my VIP and is going to be following along with the FTMO series that I'm going to be doing. And when I say following along, it does not mean following along as like, yes, you guys are going to be taking my trades. That's, I mean, that part's obvious, but I'm talking about that you guys have like an account set to the side where you guys are going to be literally like only taking my trades on that account. Peter. Run through them hundreds a day, what we used to pray for. I know they mad that I change, ain't whipping the same source. I know they mad that I change, ain't making the same course. Ain't taking no days off. Swear I used to wait for. Alright, yeah, 7 minutes, guys. In 7 minutes, we're gonna have a 4-hour candlestick close. This 4-hour candlestick close should bring us a lot of volume and direction into the market. I'm reading the you trade New York session. No, I only trade London session. Our New York session trader, this is our New York session. So Bullish Lifestyle has a New York session trader, and this is his spreadsheet. He's actually on a 9-win streak, and a whole bunch of people that are in this chat right now in the Zoom in this YouTube actually follow his trades because they're in the I actually have a VIP also where you guys have access to my Zoom and his Zooms. And he's on a 9-win. His Zooms include his private signals. So like when you guys join my VIP, you guys have access to my private signals as well. And 1, 2, yeah, he's on a 9-win streak. Fucking, he's slaughtering. 181-200, 181-650. 181-200, 181-650. Yeah, Miguel's been doing pretty good. Wow, GU decided to just fucking come down. Ooh. Miguel a goat, bro, man, respect. Yeah, 9-win streak, guys, is he's been popping off. He's about to beat me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this really a 9-win streak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I think he won his 9th recently on the Discord. If you go right here, VIP signals. So he's on a 9-win streak, right? Like there's everybody talking in the chat with him. He's on a 9-win streak, and my highest win streak was in April, my first month ever of calling out these live signals and live trades. I went on a 9-win streak. Second month, I was already so impressed with that 9-win streak. I never thought I'd go on a 9-win streak again. 10. I went on a 10-win streak right here. So the second he hits 10 wins, then we'll talk. The second he hits 11 wins, then we'll talk. Okay. June, I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 win streak in June. Here in July, I got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 win streak again. We have taken 11 wins, 3 losses, 4 break-evens. We have a 79% win rate for the month of July. That is pretty good, guys. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, so if you guys want access to our wait, I'm gonna go in the meeting room so I can come. Oh, wait, I'm gonna go in the meeting. I'm gonna go in the meeting room so I can come on the Zoom. So Blue, you want you're gonna go in a meeting right now, so I should start the Zoom in a little bit. Like, is that what you mean, or you mean that you're getting ready for the Zoom to start, so you're gonna go somewhere? Did you pour champagne on her? Did you give her a little bit or a lot of bit? All right, if you're in a meeting, just let me know when you're done with your meeting. Getting ready for the Zoom to start. Oh, you're getting ready for the Zoom to start. All right, guys, we're gonna now go into our private session. We're gonna go into I'm gonna start my private Zoom. The private Zoom, guys. If you guys want to be a part of the private Zoom, like I said, you guys could join the VIP. If you guys join the VIP, you guys are gonna have access to my private trades. You guys are gonna have access to me on a private Zoom call where you guys could ask me questions, learn more about my trading ability. We're gonna be passing an FTMO challenge live, where all these trades that I usually send, like for example, how we went on these crazy win streaks on April, May, June, July. We've done great on live stream. We are now gonna start doing all these trades privately on Zoom. Starting today, well, starting tomorrow, starting today right now, from on and now, I'm going to do my Zoom chat. My Zoom chat is going to be starting. We're going to catch our trades together, and then after that, we're going to go live on YouTube. So after we go live on YouTube, everyone's going to be able to still be on the Zoom call on the live stream, and we're going to be able to, chat it up all together on YouTube Live. Yeah. So it's going to be like Dr. Dollars. You know how Dr. Dollars has people on Zoom? You guys who join my VIP will be able to be on my Zoom every live stream that we do. We will start the Zoom before the live stream. We'll try to catch a trade on the Zoom before the live stream. So basically the win rates and all the win records and the A+ trades are all going to be caught on the VIP. As well as today, specifically today, I'm going to purchase a 100K challenge, and we're going to start passing that 100K challenge live with my Zoom. And they're going to be able to see full access to how I go about my trading, how I go about everything, you know? So hopefully we wish us all luck to begin with. Link to the VIP is below. There's actually a free trial of the VIP. There's a free trial that is ending this week very soon. So if you guys want the VIP and you guys also want to be a part of the free trial gives you an extra week of the VIP. So if you guys join the VIP, you guys get an extra free week if you do it with the trial. And if you do it with the trial, you're going to be able to see if you guys like what you guys get for the price. It is actually very cheap, but you guys are going to see if you guys like what you guys get for the price. And if you guys do like it, you guys stay. If you guys don't like it, you cancel, take off your credit card. Nothing's ever going to happen. If you guys are afraid of putting your credit card into the system, guys, it is a huge international company that takes the money. It is not us. It's like saying you're scared of putting your money in an Amazon or putting your money into eBay, which it's fine. If you guys are scared of putting your money in eBay and Amazon, it's totally respectful. I understand that. There are people that don't trust the internet like that. Nonetheless, if you do trust Amazon, you should be able to trust paying me with your I don't have access to your credit card. I don't want access to your credit card. Trust me, I got my own. My dog Filthy in the yo, I love you, Filthy. Thank you so much. Yo, shout out to everybody who's in the VIP, like Peter, Frank, fucking. There's a whole bunch of people that are nasty ass traders that don't even need to be in the VIP for my trades. They're in there because they like vibing it out and they like fucking. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Century, te voy a invitar. Te voy a dar un link. Te voy a dar un link al Telegram. Te mando un link para que entres con nosotros. WStream, as always, you the go. Good luck to everyone. Remember to wait for the candlestick closures. It's Monday, guys. Listen to what Saxy says, guys. No aggressive trading today, boys. No aggressive trading. It's Monday. There's a lot left in the week. give a chance for Monday to have like let the charts play out, so you can use Monday as a tool of direction. Use Monday as a tool of direction to understand where the rest of the week is going. Guys, start paying attention to your weekly candlestick. The weekly candlestick just opened, and now we got to try to anticipate where it's going to close, right? Weekly, like I said, the GJ on weekly looks like it can keep on going bearish. This could be a wick fill. And then starting next week, we're going to start paying attention to our monthly, guys. We're going to start paying attention to the monthly candlestick, because the monthly candlestick after next week, we're going to have basically 1 week for the monthly candlestick to close. And yeah, boys, it's just yeah. So guys, we have been streaming for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Like I said, our YouTube live streams are only going to last an hour to an hour and a half. I'm going to make sure we go on our private Zooms and give the value to our private, to the people that are in the VIP that they deserve. Thank you guys for fucking joining the stream, supporting, liking. I apologize, it was a short stream. I'm sorry if I got you into a horrible GJ trade. I hope I made up for it with that gold trade. Hopefully everybody understood that I really did not like the GJ trade that we took, and they fucking closed that way, went into break even, and they took the gold trade. I apologize if we got, I'll try to make sure I don't try to, I mean, I hate fucking taking setups that I'm not confident in. So I blame that on myself. I kind of wanted to hurry up and take a trade so I could catch a trade in public with you guys, and then go onto my private Zoom. I love to see how far you've come, bro. Thank you, AJ. Guys, shout out to AJ, who's been in my stream. AJ in the chat, guys. Trades by AJ. AJ's been in my chat since I only had like him in the chat. He would watch me live trade by myself, and I was coming onto these private Zooms. I mean, I was coming onto these streams, and I was literally catching trades by myself and logging them, and then sometimes 3 people would join, and he was always that one guy that was always there. So every time I'd go on live stream, at one point I'd just be live streaming for him. And he'd always tell me, bro, there's going to be a whole bunch of people in this shit. You're a beast. You deserve way much more people in this. And I was like, man, I deserve what I got. You know, we got to earn everything we get. And yeah, and now look at us. We got 127 people. And, you know, things are moving forward. We're catching great trades. Will you send the Zoom link to my Instagram? Wolfboy, oh boy. Wolfboy, oh boy. Oh, Wolfboy, oh boy. You should be a part of it. Damn, you didn't get added by Miguel. Miguel didn't add you. Wolfboy, oh boy. Any chance you could send me a Discord link? I mean, send me a message on Discord. Send me a message on Discord right now. I'm gonna go to the Discord free chat and type real quick right here. Hello. Oh my God, AJ, thank you so much for fucking sending this to everybody. I sent hello to you know, Wolfo Boy, send me a message to FX Peso, and I'll be able to send you the Zoom link there. Guys, I'm sorry. I want to be with you guys for as long as possible, but I have to go into my VIP Zoom chat. Hopefully I've convinced enough of you to join so we can have a good party in there and put on music and not get copyright struck, and then fucking... I miss your A+ trades. Gonna have to join Luis El Padron, brother. Damn, dude. I really hope I didn't get you into that fucking GBPJPY. Ah, that's my fault, dude. All right. Sure, he never sent anything. I apologize. Well, we haven't had any Zoom chats. But now that I have your Discord, I needed your Discord to be able to put you into the Zoom, because the Zoom, I mean, into the VIP, because the VIP is off of the Discord, like the Discord. And you give your Discord name access to the VIP section. And so now that I have your Discord name, I'll be able to give you the VIP section. Oh, you passed on GJ. Are you taking more trades on the VIP? Yes, today I'm going to take more trades on the VIP. On the VIP today, right now, I'm going to open up my 100K account. I need to buy it with everybody on live. I'm going to wait for the market to like settle down a little bit. I'm going to buy the 100K on live, and then we're going to take the first trade of my new 100K challenge live. And we're going to pass that 100K challenge this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're taking that. Guys, this GJ trade looks good. This GJ trade looks good. And I love that you took the gold trade, patron. Está perfecto. Está perfecto. Wolfo Boy, make sure you message me. Anything else I need to say? Everybody, guys, also, guys, if you guys are not in the VIP, it's totally fine. I do not recommend, I don't think the VIP is for everybody. Sometimes most people don't need VIP. But I do make sure you guys do join the Discord. So look at the comment section right now. If you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord has a whole bunch of free trades, a whole bunch of access to fucking all the important stuff that I give. If you guys want to join if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram links are going to be below. So you guys can follow me on Instagram. Boys, give me, for all the people in the VIP, give me about 10 minutes. Give me about 10 minutes. I'm going to use the restroom. And within 10-15 minutes, we're going to start our private Zoom, boys. So, love you guys. Thank you guys for joining. You guys are fucking amazing. This GJ trade is going to hit. We're going to slaughter it. Watch. All right, boys. So long to everybody. Peace. All right, I got you, AJ.
Done man wrong, where are they now? Nowhere to be seen. The power's strong, where am I now? I've been in the charts for 18 weeks. My bro stay knocking man out, made man tap out, but I stay on his team like a beep. Bro, I know it's long time no see, but I'm here whenever you need. I listen a lot, but I don't speak much. I kept it brief, she think that I'm shy. She down for the cause, I told her I'm done. She said she want more, I bang in my guy. I was dead broke, I had no hope. I sat and I thought about ending my life. I was down bad and they asked how I am. I got out like a man and I said I'm alright.
Don't think I'm pussy, don't make me pull up with the stick. Ooh, stick. I got a Louis V bag to match with the fit. VVS was on my wrist.